game called? What's this called?
I forgot.
Well, what is it?
It's named Gia.
It's named Gia?
Yeah.
How do you play?
Somebody has a dog and the bear tries to catch it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's play Gia. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's try again.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh! 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, he threw him back? Ready? Ah! Say bye.